Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Alyssa and this is Oils with Alyssa. Today we are going to be diving into higher unity. Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Alyssa and this is Oils with Alyssa. Today we are going to be diving into higher unity. Higher unity, I talked a little bit about in my November box. I still have it all set up here for you guys. And that it resonates on a high frequency. But what is frequency? How does it affect our bodies? How does it affect how we act and what we do? And it's quite simple. Frequency is how we stay healthy. Every human resonates between 62 and 78. That is the average range for a healthy human being. So in the morning, you're a coffee drinker. No judgment. I was there once too. So just holding that cup of coffee, your frequency drops about 10 points. How do you bring it back up? Well, there's a few different ways you can do that. You can use an enzyme to help your body digest. That's going to help bring your frequency back up. You can use certain oils. You can use digestive oils that are going to help bring your frequency back up. Thieves is a great one. You can add it to your coffee, counteract the frequency imbalance right from the start. And what that does though is even though you're having your cup of coffee, so yes, it lowers your frequency, by adding the thieves to it or by taking your digest after you drink your cup of coffee, is going to help bring that frequency back up, because we don't want the frequency to drop below 62 megahertz, because that's when you start to feel sick, that's when you start to feel sluggish, or maybe you need a nap, or whatever the possibility might be. The lower frequency is where all of those things start to come into play. The longer you're at a lower frequency, the more you tend to have that could go wrong, okay? So with higher unity, the holidays are coming up. They can be stressful, can take a toll on your tummy. This oil is going to be great for so many of those things. It has lime, lemon, and spearmint. Great for the tummy. Put a little bit here. It's also got the frankincense in it, which is going to help ground you, and this is a great place to put frankincense. This is your grounding chakra. Okay, so this right here is how you bring balance back to the 7 chakras. Okay, you can also put it on the crown chakra. You could put it on the third eye. You could put it on the earlobes. You could put it on the bottoms of your feet, your wrist. There are so many different places that you can put this. Now, why I say this is a high frequency oil is because it contains rose. Okay, rose, it takes 75 pounds of rose petals to make one 5 milliliter bottle of rose essential oil. Okay, rose is the most expensive oil that there is. I don't know of any that are more expensive than rose. Melissa oil is pretty close. This one, if you were able to purchase it, would be pretty close, but rose is the most expensive oil, and it also resonates at the highest frequency. Okay, so remember how I said that the average human resonates between 62 and 78 megahertz, okay? Rose resonates at 320 megahertz. Hello, okay? Forget everything else in this bottle. Rose right there is going to, it is going to have me on cloud 9, okay? Not to mention there's sacred frankincense, there's sacred sandalwood, there's jasmine. All of those are high frequency oils as well. And I'm talking 70 and above, okay? So those oils alone, if you're feeling a little down, are going to immediately bring your frequency back up the moment you use that oil. The moment you just take the cap off and smell the oil. You guys, this smells like heaven in a bottle. Like, even though it has some of the woodsy aromas in it, it is a soft, sweet aroma. It's not overpowering. Girls and guys alike are going to like this oil because it's got the woodsy and it's got the soft and sweet. It's got everything you need in between. Like, I am really resonating with this oil right now, and it's probably because of the holidays coming up, okay? This oil's got your back because of the frequency, you guys. And you can't buy this oil, okay? This is it. This is the only way you can get this, is by placing your orders, okay? You can't get it any other way. You'll never be able to buy it. It's only available for promo this month, okay? On my last video, I talked a little bit about how you could get four bottles, okay? Now, how you can get those 4 bottles, okay? You've got your account. You've got your spouse's account, okay? You have a quick order. Your spouse has a quick order, okay? Yes, I know not everybody can place a $1,600 worth of product order every month, but if you can, woohoo, you're going to get 4 bottles of this amazing oil, okay? You can't get it any other time. This is the only time you can get it. Quick order and Essential Rewards, that's it, okay? You will not be able to get it any other way. Get this oil. You want this oil. I promise you. You are not going to want to go through the next holidays coming up. Thanksgiving, Christmas, Hanukkah, New Year's, okay? 4 holidays coming up. Loved ones aren't going to be there. Maybe you're at odds and ends with a family member. Maybe you had a loved one pass away at sometime this year that's not going to be there. Maybe it's just stressful because you're the only one waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning to prepare the whole Thanksgiving dinner that everybody is going to sit down and eat. That's stressful. That does a lot to your body. Oxidative stress is bad for you, okay? This is going to help bring your frequency back up, so no matter what happens, if you're the only one cooking or, you know, a grandparent isn't there, whatever the case may be, this oil is going to help everybody have a good holiday, regardless of what is going on in here, okay? Regardless of what's going on in your heart or your mind. It's going to ground you. It's going to bring you center. It's going to bring you balance, okay? This oil you want to get through this holiday season with, and every season after this. But guys, get this oil, okay? You have 4 possibilities. I know $1,600 is a lot, but I promise you it is worth it. And you can get things that you're already going to use. Black Friday's coming up. Cyber Monday's coming up, okay? Granted, those are usually quick order only, so get your other things on Essential Rewards so that you can take advantage of Black Friday and Cyber Monday coming up. You snag as many bottles of these as you possibly can. Okay? Alright, guys. Thanks so much. This has been Oils with Alyssa. We talked a little bit about frequency, higher unity. Hope you come back again soon. Love to see ya. Mwah. Thanks. Have a good night.